Moyen, it's Cinda Mike, and I'm an American in Luxembourg, and I'm with Jackie Messerich. Jackie is my Luxembourgish teacher and has been for almost 2 years now.
Oh yes.
And what else are you, Jackie?
I'm also a textbook writer for Luxembourgish learners.
So I was telling this person, they may or may not have been German. I'm not going to say one way or the other. They were. And I told them that I was learning how to speak Luxembourgish, and they were like, "Why are you taking Luxembourgish? That's not really a language." And so what do you say to that, Jackie, if somebody says Luxembourgish isn't a language?
Well, I would say it is a language because, first it's related to a country.
It's related to a country.
Yes, that it's not only part of a country where it's spoken, like Bavarian is spoken in Bavaria, and Bavaria is a part of Germany.
Right, okay.
So Luxembourg is an independent country, so it's the language of Luxembourg. But another reason is we use it everywhere.
Okay, everywhere, meaning?
So, meaning in the family, with friends, at school, when you go to places like City Hall, ministries, everywhere. We use it with everybody.
So,
whereas the dialect, we would perhaps use it in different situations of your life and not in every context and every situation of your life.
Okay, and so like a dialect might be used more like informally, whereas in Luxembourgish it's used in informal situations and more formal official situations.
Yes, we use it all the time. And another thing is that Luxembourgish has developed in a different way than some dialects that are similar to Luxembourgish. We are very influenced by French, by the French language, so we have a lot of French words you don't find in German dialects that are similar to Luxembourgish.
So a German dialect is just going to have German words.
German words.
Whereas Luxembourgish has French in
Yes.
it too. Okay.
We integrate French words and also English and other German words. These French words are really integrated in the Luxembourgish language. It's not just that we use a lot of French words, but we integrate them and we change them. And
Like cadeau?
like cadeau, rideau, and cadeau.
That's because I mean in French it's pronounced probably differently, right? And spelled differently.
Yes, we change the pronunciation. We put the accent on the first syllable, like not cadeau, but cadeau, and we change the spelling, and we add sometimes like for the verbs proposer, proposeren,
Okay.
suggérer, suggérere. There is a very big influence of French words in Luxembourgish. So I think Luxembourgish has developed in another way than German dialect.
Okay.
Also for the words, we need a lot, as we use the language in all the situations of life, we need another vocabulary than a dialect. For example, if you just use your dialect in the family, you don't need words like for all your administrative stuff, for example.
Oh,
So we need more words for our language because we use it for in every
because
context.
if it's just going to be used for your family and your friends, it's going to be a limited vocabulary because you're not going to be talking about official tasks and things like that. We didn't say where we are. We're in the crypt of Ueseldange Castle.
Oh yes, it's very nice here.
Anyway, thanks, Jackie.
Don't tell me.
Merci. Adi.
Ciao.
Ciao.